Question number 28, figure 32.E6 shows part of the circuit. If current 12 milliampere exists in the 5 kilo ohm, this 5 kilo ohm resistor, find the currents in the other three resistors, this and this. And finally, what is the potential between point A and point B? So, let us draw the circuit here. 5 kilo ohm, and then these two resistors 10 kilo ohm, and then this is 20 kilo ohm. This one is 100 kilo ohm. This is point B, this is point A. The current here is 12 milliampere. Now when the 12 milliampere current comes from here, a part of this goes in this branch and another part goes into this branch. What we are trying to do is, and these currents will get divided in the ratio of these resistors. If the resistance is smaller, more current will flow. If the resistance is higher, less current will flow. If let us say this current is I1, then this current, and let's say this current is I2, then we know that the voltage at this point remains constant whether you go through this branch or you go through this branch. By going through this branch means the IR drop is I1 into 10 kilo ohm is equal to I2 into 20 kilo ohm. That means I1 is equal to 2I2. So instead of I1, I am writing 2I2 here. And I2 plus 2I2 is 12 milliampere. The current comes here, goes I1 here and 2I2 here. So I2 plus 2I2 is equal to 12 milliampere. That means 3I2 is equal to 12 milliampere, or I2 is equal to 12 divided by 3, 4 milliampere. So the current in this branch is going to be 4 milliampere, and the current in this branch will be 2I2 or 8 milliampere. And then these two current again combined becomes 12 milliampere here. So the next question is, you find the voltage potential difference between A and B. So the potential difference here, this voltage has to be higher and this voltage has to be lower. That is the only way the current can flow through this. The voltage difference between here and here will be 12 milliampere multiplied by 5 kilo ohm. Kilo and milli cuts, so we have 60 volts here. Now for voltage between this and this, you can take either this branch or this branch. Let us take this branch, then 40 milliampere multiplied by 20 kilo ohm. 4 into 2, 80 milli and kilo cancels. 4 into 2 is 80 volt. So we have 80 volts here. And finally, 12 milliampere into 100 kilo ohm. K a milli cancels. So we have 1200 here. So we will add the total. We have 60 plus 80 plus 1200. This becomes 0, 8 plus 6, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 1340 volts.